Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I turn this beautiful body into a baddie.
Mama lo London, mama wa Porsche, mama wa Gucci, Timbalo Shosh, mama no dollar, no be my fault. Mama naughty, we could have thought, no the one who.
First of all, if you're new here, of course you guys all are, please take the time to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for even visiting my page. So she obviously has no hair, so what we did, we just gelled everything down. It was pretty flat, but it still had volume because her hair was thick. So what you see me here doing, I had already put the nude cap, and that is Got2b spray that I sprayed around her whole hairline, and I'm blow drying on cool, making sure I get pretty much everything. So once that was all dry, I took my scissors and I just followed her hairline, and I just follow that motion from ear to ear, and I take my scissors and I go carefully because I don't want to like snip her at all. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking Sally airbrush legs and I'm spraying her scalp with that, or her scalp cap, and that's the color Deep Glow. Now this is the same color I'm going to use, and I'm going to spray the lace of her unit with. It matches her skin perfectly, so I didn't need to tint. I didn't need any other makeup at all. Okay, I know you guys see her lace acting awful, but it's cool. So now we're just trying on the wig. I did make this wig handmade and I colored it. Unfortunately, the color details are not in this video, but I will be making more videos on color methods. Right now, what I was doing was just making sure the wig fit correctly, and now I'm shaping out her ears. What I'm gonna do is clip that hair back and cut around her ears to make sure it's a good fit. Okay, so off of camera, what I did was apply 3 layers of lace adhesive. Now, this is up to you whether you want to do Got2b spray, or actual lace adhesive like Bold Hold or Ghost Bond. I prefer the actual lace adhesive for long wear, and even with the spray, I recommend 3 layers. So I just put it where I thought her hairline would be, and I started sticking it down once it was clear enough. And I do one side first, make sure that's cool, then I go to the other side, pull it down, line it up. Hers was pretty much good enough to where I didn't really have to trim around and make adjustments. But if you do need to do that, all you would do is put some on your hand and like fill in the little spots that went without glue. This did end up being a bob unit, so here you can see me just refining and cutting all the pieces. I didn't record the whole cutting of the bob process. So now we're gonna do the baby hairs, and I've tried to explain this 3 different times, but it'll be best if you guys just watch. All I'm gonna be using is a mixture. I'm gonna go back and forth from Got2b Glued and Got2b Spray. I just spray it on the little edge brush a little bit. I lay it down and I go back and refine it and stick it down with the Got2b Glued. I cut it with a razored comb and I make sure it lays flat with a hot comb. You guys watch the rest and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. I know you guys see how flawless that looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm still not over this.
Beats. Oh, see beats.
this is the final look, you guys. Next time I'll show you guys how I did the color, maybe some other tutorials, but I just wanted to start with just a regular makeover, and here she goes. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Ting. Thank you guys for watching.
Para